This could be the best option for earbuds under 30 euros. In fact, these Oppo Enco Buds 2 have only costed me 25 euros. Let's have a look at what's on this box. Not a lot of information. In fact, we only see that they deliver up to 28 hours of listening time, and we have 10 millimeters titanized diaphragm this thing driver, okay, and not a lot more, to be honest. So let's open them up and see how they perform. I don't even need the cutter. Yeah, it's completely toolless opening. Nice. So far the unboxing experience is pretty nice, actually. Let's take the headphones themselves out. They are really small, so we'll see if the 28 hours claim is actually true. We have some earbuds and papers. We don't have the charging cable, so that's the first way Oppo is trying to save a little bit of money and remove this plastic thingy. This plastic shell looks really nice, even though, as you can already see, this is a fingerprint magnet. Like, everywhere you touch them, you're gonna leave your fingerprint. And I also have a pretty oily skin, so that's even worse. Inside, there's this light blue, really nice, I like it. We have the earbuds themselves. Let me take another smartphone and try to use them. Before doing it though, let's have a closer look at the shell itself. The fingerprint lasts for only a couple of seconds, so it's not as bad as I thought, even though it's still a problem. The earbuds themselves are really tiny, probably a couple of centimeters only. You can see the lucid and matte finish, just like the case itself, is present on the earbud. We have the tiny driver right here and the interchangeable earpieces, which are not so easy to put back on, to be honest. Like, see, you can actually see my fingerprint, what the heck. And we have a couple of pin contacts on the bottom. I already don't love this, because if they get dirty, they're not gonna make such a good contact, so you may have some issues charging them, but we'll see if they sound any good, actually. So let's try them on. Let's try them on, actually. This is the right one and this is the left one. They haven't made any sound. There's a little light on the bottom of the case next to the Type-C, and I think they are charged, but let's see. I hope so. I got my old Redmi Note 7 as pairing device, since I'm using my iPhone to record this video. Oppo Enco Buds 2, I hope you can see them. Associa, which means pair, and there we have it. They are already paired, battery 100%, so let's try them out. I really love the case and also the sound it makes when closed. This is pretty satisfying. Let me listen to something which has copyright, so I can't reproduce it right here. Yeah, not great. If you listen at 50%, it sounds pretty good, I don't mind it. But as you go a little bit higher, the sound gets distorted. The EQ profile sounds messy. Basses are definitely overboosted, as any cheap headphone for some reason, because people like bass boosted profiles. Highs are not so bad, but mids, not the greatest experience ever. Latency, extremely low. So let's try with a YouTube video to see if it's actually doable. The first experience, not the best because of the EQ profile. I would really love to be able to customize it. Let's see if it syncs with video. Yeah, like the lag is basically imperceptible. So if you wanna watch YouTube or watch a film with them, you're good to go. And actually the sound of videos is pretty great. Even though mids in songs, it's garbage, which is strange. Let's try a different song, because maybe I've chosen the wrong one. I was listening to Futura X by Ernia. Let's try Famous by Kanye West. Definitely bass boosted. Like, a lot. That's... oh. Definitely bass boosted, but vocals actually don't sound that bad, so maybe that was only the song I first tried. It looks something like bass overboosted, vocals okay, and then eyes inexistent. Most people won't find it an issue at all, because people tend to like bass overboosted. Let me try it out for a couple of hours, maybe some more, and I'll see you then. After about a week of tinkering around with them, I gotta say, I was totally wrong with the aim of these earbuds. I was expecting to have a crystal clear audio experience, a complete focus on the best audio quality for 25 euros, but first, 25 euros is too little to get a great audio experience. And that is not the goal of these Oppo Enco Buds 2. These headphones are targeted to people that want to make long calls without any ear pain, a compact and modern design, as you can see, and a long-lasting battery. And you must be an Android user. More about that in a second. Why am I stating that these are focused on calls? Because they are extremely comfortable. They have good physical noise cancellation, since they're pretty isolated by the ear padding itself, and the microphone is great. The Oppo Enco Buds 2 are the only in-ear earbuds that I've comfortably worn for more than 2 hours straight. I'm usually extremely picky on earbuds because I tend to suffer from ear pain easily, and in fact I'm currently using the Sennheiser HD350 Bluetooth. You can find the video review right here. I love those headphones. I tend to suffer pretty easily because many headphones are too heavy, or they don't have the best grip, are not physically balanced. I just can't keep them in my ears for more than about an hour or so. But these are different. They're pretty similar to the AirPods Pro design wise, and that's definitely a plus for me. On top of that, the isolation from outside noise is incredible for non-ANC earbuds. It's all done by the earpieces that sit perfectly inside the ear and make a great seal around it. Last but definitely not least, the microphones. Each earbud has one microphone at the end of the arm that's pointed exactly toward your mouth, meaning that your speech is more easily captured by them. So, if you're in need of great headphones for work, or you just happen to make many calls during the day, these are a great entry-level option for you. Let's talk a little bit about the design more. Personally, I find it beautiful and elegant. The case is circular without anything. You only have the charging port, thank god a USB-C, and a small LED next to it. And that's it. There's a lucid strip all around the case, and the result is matte black, which is a fingerprint magnet, unfortunately, but you can just wipe it out with your t-shirt or any cloth whatsoever. The earbuds themselves are compact, extremely light, and obviously inspired by the look of the AirPods, but once again, this is not a negative thing in my opinion. If it works, it works. I also love the light blue accent inside the case, as you can see from right here. It breaks the monotony of the all black look and brings a personal and distinctive touch to these Oppo earbuds. The other day, I was on a bus from uni to my house and I immediately recognized a lady using these exact earbuds, only thanks to the light blue accent. We've talked enough about the positive sides of these Enco Buds 2, let's now face the negative sides. First and foremost, the app. I know what you're thinking, a 25 euros pair of headphones have an app and I'm complaining about it? Yes, because we're not talking about a random brand. We're talking about Oppo, a huge smartphone manufacturer with many headphones produced, that has a lot of resources and can't make an app that works both on Android and iOS. In fact, on Android, the app is okay. You can customize the gestures of each earbud, which, by the way, by default are set to some strange features. You can't have a single tap on the headphones themselves, it's deactivated by default for some reason. If you make a double tap on the earbud, it skips track on both headphones, but it's all things you can customize pretty easily using the app, so nothing too serious about it. You can change the EQ profile, thanks god, because the default is to bass boosted. Please select the eyes enhanced because the other two are garbage, and you can also upgrade the firmware. If you happen to have an iPhone, The app won't even recognize the earbuds, not even if they are already paired with the phone. I was telling this to a friend of mine and they told me that most likely iPhone users just use AirPods. And even though that could be true for the most, I find it dumb to preclude the use of their headphones to a great part of their potential clients, because these are cheap and pretty great overall. By the way, on the App Store it has 1.4 stars, so I'm not the only one with this problem, obviously. The second major drawback is the sound quality. If you want to have the best sound, period, this is not for you. I would suggest some over-ear headphones and a slightly higher budget, probably. If you're the right target for this product though, you can buy it from the link in my bio. Overall, I have to say that I extremely like these earbuds, even though with a huge disclaimer for iOS users and sound enthusiasts. I bought them for my mom and she just wants to listen to videos and films most of the time, so these were the right choice for her and she's extremely happy with them, in fact, even though I had to explain to her how to pair Bluetooth devices because I found out she never done that before, so that was pretty fun. Thank you so much for sticking until the end of the video. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, and leave a comment with what kind of headphones or earbuds you're using right now. I'm extremely curious about it. As I said before, I'm currently using the Sennheiser HD350 Bluetooth, which, by the way, you may like the video, so check it out. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!